It's about managing the most precious resource on planet Earth, water.
This dam is absolutely critical to this area. The mission of reclamation is to manage our water resources to the benefit of the American people. When they originally built this facility 50 plus years ago, everything was done on individual hand-drawn drawings. One of the things I've been working towards is to create a 3D model of this facility. I took this need to Autodesk and I said, this is what I've got, can you help us?
If we don't have a computer model of all this stuff, how do we create one? This project is all about reality capture, and we're using a bunch of tools to do exactly that.
We're using laser scanning technology to scan portions outside and all of inside. We're going to use sonar to scan upstream and downstream to capture underwater. And then we're going to use photogrammetry to capture aerial. So we'll build all the rock faces and above and tie all that together into one large model.
At the center of this pretty much is Autodesk Recap. So we can take all of this data we are capturing, both photo-based and LiDAR-based, combine all that rich data into a computer model. What we're doing here is not only a good fit for critical infrastructure, but it can work for any physical thing that hasn't been modeled in the computer.
This model, this technology, brings us into this 3D world. We can take this model to our big design center in Denver. Any kind of upgrade of mechanical or electrical systems, they can design it there. The facility manager can use this to understand what's going on with this facility. This concrete that we're standing on right now will be around for thousands of years, still be operating, and still have its needs. This allows us to do it much more elegantly, with fewer design errors, with fewer construction errors, fewer operation problems, and so it's a stewardship for the future.